Welcome to the Newlywed Game Show. As we said in our prior video, we were going to do a game of questions, and our lovely assistant, ChatGPT, came up with a list of newlywed questions for us, and we're going to guess. So, if you're new here, my name is Jessy.
And my name is B, and we help women heal themselves from the inside out. We use things like breathwork, energy work, and conscious coaching. So if that sounds in alignment with you, hit that subscribe button and stick around for more videos.
Okay, I'm like so excited to do this video because the questions are like really good, and I just can't wait to see what she says. I can't wait to see what comes out of me. And without further ado, we're gonna get right into it.
Okay, but first, for those of you that don't know what like the Newlywed Game Show is, like we're gonna be like basically we're gonna be asked a question. We're gonna ask the question.
We're gonna say it out loud. We're gonna say the question out loud.
And then each of us are gonna write down what our answer is. And so for a lot of the questions, it's like I basically have to guess what she would answer, and she would have to guess what I would answer. And then at the end, we hold them up and we see if they're right, if they're in alignment, and if they are, then we get a point. That's usually.
You guys tally for us. Tell us in the comments.
Did you say queer edition?
Yeah. Okay. Queer edition. This is the Newlywed Queer Edition game show.
First question. It gets really saucy. If your partner was a kink, what kink would they be?
Okay.
Okay, Jessy, what would I be? Praise. Oh, praise kink. That's good. Okay, and by the way, we did not talk about any of these answers beforehand, so we're seeing them in real time.
Plead the fifth.
Is it right?
Yeah. I think it's right.
Who said I love you first? Okay, this is kind of an easy one.
Oh my god, this is cute.
Be on, when was it? July 2nd, 2023 in the ocean. Wow, we didn't ask for all those details, but we both put a date. That was me. July 22nd, 2023.
I made her say I love you first. Immediately.
Side quest. When I told her that I was falling in love with her, because I kind of like, I did like a soft launch of my I love you. So like in the car when we were like making out for like 3 hours, at the end I was like, I think I'm falling in love with you. And this is what Jessy says. Me too.
Okay.
Like,
guys, I was so nervous.
I knew that she was nervous, but I was like,
and then I was like kicking myself because she got out of the car and I was like, why did I say me too?
Third question. Who has more Uhaul energy? We all know this. You said you, I said me.
We both do.
That's funny. Okay, so we have 2 points.
Okay,
that one
2 points.
we didn't get.
Who's more likely to initiate intimacy?
Okay, that's kind of surprising. I said both of us.
Okay, I think I'm answering from a space. Okay, we ebb and flow. Okay, we ebb and flow. I think your answer is more right.
Thanks.
Who's more dramatic?
We all know the answer to this one. Jessy, yay!
Who's the black cat and who's the golden retriever? This one might surprise you. That was my answer. B is the black cat. I am the GR.
I have the same thing. I'm the black cat. Jessy's my golden retriever.
What is their aura color? I'm answering for you.
Okay. I love that.
Is that right? Is pink right?
We can see. Love to be like a pink gold combo.
I was gonna write pink and yellow.
Wow. And that would have been more accurate. So half a point.
Half a point.
Okay. And I guessed this. Blue. Because blue is like very healing.
And water.
And calming.
And I'm calming waters.
And she's calming waters. So is that
that
right?
That resonates with me.
Yay.
So you get a full point.
Yay. Wait, I thought we were on the same team.
Oh, we are.
You're so confused.
I'm confused. I'm confused. We're just going with it.
What tarot card would they be if they were a tarot card? The Lovers or the Empress? The Empress definitely resonates. The Lovers, I feel like, is more of a duo.
It's a duo card.
But truly, I resonate the most with the Devil card, so... High Priestess or King or Queen of Cups, because you're very watery and emotional, and I don't know too much about tarot. But what would you say if you were a tarot card? What would you be?
I would probably be the pool.
Y'all know that one, right?
I would be the upright fool. I take risks.
And there's a little puppy in that, and it's voodoo.
And it's voodoo.
Right. You're the fool. You're so innocent and curious, and I'm the devil. It's like...
Okay, next question. Lights on, lights off, or mood lighting?
Mood lighting. I wrote the same thing. Disregard. I was trying to like draw a lightning ball and it didn't work out.
What's the most spontaneous place you've gotten frisky? I have a good one.
Let's see. I have a great one.
Okay. Here's mine.
Okay. Let's see. Back of Jeep at the beach in the rain.
Why did you see it like that? Rushed to the car. We like somersaulted from the front seat to the back seat. And yeah, what's your answer?
I have the same thing. In the back of her Jeep at the beach.
When it was raining.
When it was raining. So I remember we were in the back of the Jeep and there was a guy next to us.
Luckily, I had tent.
Yeah, like you could not see anything.
You couldn't see anything in my Jeep.
But we didn't realize that he was there. He just like kind of appeared, and I feel like maybe it stopped raining at that point, and he was like eating a sandwich outside of his car.
And we're just like getting it on.
And I was like naked.
Yeah. Anyway.
We got like 7.
I've lost where I
don't know.
was.
Maybe someone who was watching was keeping track. We're terrible. 7.5.
We got 7.5 out of 10. I don't think that's too bad.
Our goal was 7, so look at that. We exceeded.
This was a little different for us. We did a little game show, and like, yeah, let us know in the comments if you're into it, if you want to see more videos like this, because we'll totally do it and maybe be a little bit more, I don't know, like prepared.
We wanted to have fun. We love to laugh. In case you haven't noticed, like sometimes we'll talk about really serious things like, you know, trauma and healing and manifestation, but like we're always laughing. Like there's always a way to incorporate humor. So this was really fun for us, and we hope that you laughed along with us. And if you didn't, sorry.
Yeah, and if you like this video, make sure that you like it, subscribe it, and go binge watch the rest of our videos because we have a lot and like they're really great.
As always, take what you need, leave the rest, and go love yourself.